After a weak closing yesterday, is Nifty going to do a neutral or a bearish start today? So let's look at market levels. Welcome to Trading Footprints, and this is pre-market pulse. Let's begin with global data. In the pre-market session, Gift Nifty is down 37 points, which means we are again going to see a slightly negative start today. There will be some weak momentum. Looking at the chart level for Gift Nifty, we are very close to the support level which we were holding for Gift Nifty around 25,150. So market can come down to that level, and after that we'll see some base start to happen, and that would be a place where fresh buying can start. But for time being, our momentum will be slightly negative, so we'll brace for that impact. Talking about FIAs and DIIs, as I mentioned yesterday, we were about to see some FIAs selling after the H1B visa update news, and that's why you are seeing a major selling from their side, and the DIIs end up buying. So overall, this is a neutral sentiment for us because this was an event driven sentiment. Talking about currency, it's neutral or slightly negative, so which is again like not a good sign for us. India VIX increase, and this was expected because after this update there was some negative sentiment in the market, and that caused a spike in India VIX. And whenever India VIX increases, it means there is some fear in the market. So for India VIX, it's neutral for time being. Again, the reason is the same. It was an event driven movement, so we'll keep this as neutral instead of keeping this as negative. US market closed higher today. Oil is trading lower, gold trading higher. So oil trading lower is a good sentiment. Gold trading higher is not so good sentiment. So we'll keep this commodity side as neutral. US market, even though it closed higher, but there was some profit booking at the end of session. So we'll keep global sentiment also neutral, because if you look at the chart sector level for US market, other than technology and utilities, all the other sectors were slightly on the red side, and there was major profit booking at the end of session. That's why I'm keeping this as neutral overall for the market. Talking about Indian market levels, current Nifty's price is 25,202, resistance 25,450, initial support 25,120, and second support 24,980. So the second support is going to be a crucial support level for us, because if you look at the chart level, we are already down to the initial support level which was present at 25,250. We have broken that support. So the next support is around 25,000. So from there we can see some base happening, and we'll have some fresh buying pressure coming from there. But for time being, in the start, market will remain slightly negative or slightly weak, and from there we can see some base happening. So for time being, as I mentioned, there'll be some slightly weakness, and then we'll have some consolidation. For time being, make sure you follow your stop losses, you book your profit, and you follow trading footprints. I'll catch